Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use concatenate function or how to use concate function in Excel. There are two functions, okay? So this first function concate is available Excel latest version means 2019 plus versions, and in concatenate is available in 2000 plus version. Okay, so this is latest versions and this is the oldest version. Okay, so this is available in oldest and latest both. So how to use it? Generally we use this function concatenate function is to combine two cells. Okay, so first we will use this function, then we will use this function. Okay, and then we will know what is the difference between two functions. So first equals to, then concate. Okay, then you can just select both cell, close, and then so like this you can see that you both B2 and C2 is combined. Okay, now if you want to use this concatenate, so how to use this function is equal to concate. Okay, here you will see concatenate, then you cannot use both. Okay, together you have to just, this is B2, so you have to select this, then comma, then this, then bracket close and enter. Okay, if you use this both, okay, so I'm going to show you. If I use both together, okay, both cell together like concate, you will see this function will not work. Okay, so you have to just type concatenate. Okay, then first select this comma, then select this, bracket close. So like this you can use this concatenate function or concate function in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.